Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be doing question 64 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart Calculus. So, we are asked to find exact values. These two questions are just asking, where is tan equal to square root of 3 and where is it equal to minus 1? And for that, we're just going to use our knowledge of the unit circle. And remembering that tan is y over x. So, if you count up to So let's count up. Let's start at pi over 6. So pi over 6, cosine over the x would be square root of 3 over 2 at pi over 6. And this would be a half. Sine would be a half. Then at pi over 4, they'd be equal. Or they're equal. At pi over 3, we now have square root of 3 over 2. And so it's the other way around. We now have a half and square root of 3 over 2 there. So now remember that tan is y over x. So in the first one, if we divide, so at pi over 6, if we divide y by x, the unit circle, you're going to get a half multiplied by 2 over square root of, so that's 1 over square root of 3 and not square root of 3. If you try for pi over 4, then we get a 1 because they're both the same. And if we try in the case of pi over 3, we're going to get square root of 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 1, which is indeed square root of 3. So the answer to the first one would be square at pi over 3. So the question is asking, where is tan equal to square root of 3? So you normally have your angle like this, equal to a value square root of 3. So now we're finding what this angle is because we're interested in the arctan of square root of 3. So we're finding this. And that just so happens to be pi over 3. So if you substitute the answer here, it should give you this. And that's how you know that it's correct. And the same thing applies in the second question. So this form of arctan is the same as this, just that it has now been written in words. So where is your tan minus 1? And this should be a good hint for you because there at that point you have 1. So if you divide both of them, you basically have 1. So you can come over to this quadrant or any of the quadrants where you have opposing signs. So you need one of them to be negative to get that negative 1. And in this quadrant, we have 3 pi over 4 and your x will be negative while your y will be positive. So if you divide these two, you're going to get negative 1. So you can give that as your answer, 3 pi over 4.